Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Today I will show you an error in the brother printer and show you the solution to the problems. Stay tuned. Most of those who have used brother printers have faced this problem. This problem is the slides of the green tab on the drum unit. First we will remove the toner. There are two parts here. One is the toner and other is the drum. Here you see the green tab. We will hold this green tab like this and move it forward and backward few times. After pulling it few times, we will set it like this. If you do this, it will work, the problem will be solved. And if it doesn't, then you take a cotton bud and clean it few times. After doing that, you will insert the toner into the printer. And here you see the green signal will come after few seconds and it will be ready for print. You see here printer is ready. I will print a document. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.